Easy where I am. Yeah. Did you see what I done? Came in a black Benz, left in the white one.
Hey guys, it's me Nekeisha and whatever. And today I'm back again with another video. Again, I'm very sorry if you hear noise. It's hot and I really don't want to close the window. So I'm very sorry, but yeah, so as you can see from the title, today I'm going to be doing a back to school try on clothing haul. So stay tuned for that. I know I'm probably kind of late, but I don't start school until September 5th. So, and it's September 2nd. So it's still early for me. But for all of you that are back to school already, may the Lord be with you. Okay, but anyway, we're gonna just jump right on into the video. So the first thing that I got is actually this top that I'm wearing. In this video, you guys will see a clip of me actually wearing it. But yeah, this is what I got. It's from Victoria's Secret. I mean Pink. Sorry. It's from Pink. So, yeah. And also from Pink, I got 3 lip glosses. This is one of them. Where's the other ones? Where they at? Got this one lip gloss. It's called the Grapefruit Blast. This is the one I'm wearing right now. And I got 2 other ones. I got one. It's called Mocktail Hour. Okay, I didn't try this one on yet. And this one is Slice of Heaven, and I didn't try this one on yet either. And I got this other thing. I don't know. I didn't try it yet, but when I go to the shower tonight, I'm gonna try it. It's coconut oil moisturizing body mousse. So I feel like, I don't know. I feel like it would be interesting. I don't know. I feel like it's gonna make me smell like roses or something. Ooh, that smells really good. But yeah. Moving on, I got these tights from Pink. Ooh. These tights from Pink. It says Pink Nation on the side. I hope y'all can see that. And they're just gray. They don't go all the way down to my ankles. They're just above my ankles. So yeah, sucks, but yeah, I didn't really know. So next I got this pink jacket. This jacket here. It's really cute and I can't wait to wear it. One downside though is that this part is like matte, so I can't really wear it when it gets cold, which is sad because I really like it. Maybe if I put a sweater under, I don't know, but yeah, it's just burgundy. I hope it doesn't like clash with my braids, but this is it. So yeah, that's all I got from Pink. Moving on, I'm gonna move on to H&M. So at H&M, I got this top. How does it work? Okay. Excuse me. Okay. So I got this shirt. It's just like a crop shirt, and it's long sleeved. So yeah, it's long sleeve and it's really cropped. I don't think I'm wearing this to school. Hold on, I'm in college. I'm wearing it. I forgot. I'm wearing this. Then I got these black jeans. They're just regular black jeans. You know, they're not as skinny at the ankles as I wanted them to be. But you know, life goes on. I'm still wear them. They're just basic black jeans. You know, no rips, no tears, just plain black jeans. Next, I got this white long sleeve cropped sweater. I can't wait to wear this. Like, I just can't wait to wear it. It's so cute and it's like light. It's not like thick. It's just light and I like it and just simple. Yeah. Next, I got this blue crop top and it has like a pocket on it. I have a crop top like this, but that one is from Forever 21. I got it like 8 years ago, probably when I was like 12. But so yeah, it's kind of like worn out and dead. So I got this one, and this one's a little brighter and better, and I like it better. So yeah. Okay, so next I'm going to move on to Forever 21. And from Forever 21, I didn't get a lot of things. I just got like 2 things, I think. 2 things. So I got this top. Ew, why did I say like that? That's so annoying. I'm sorry. I got this top. It's just like a thing. It's just off the shoulder top. It's like a grayish color. Yeah, I like it. I feel like it's fall appropriate. It's like for when the weather doesn't know what it wants. When it's like 60 degrees, like 68 degrees, or like 65 degrees, where it's not cold but it's cold. This is the top. Yeah. Then I got this bomb cardigan. Like, I'm gonna wear this every day. Every single day I'm gonna wear it. Watch. I have a habit of doing that. Like, I get things that I like and I just keep wearing them until they're worn out. And I'm just gonna, this is one of the things. It's just big and fluffy and I just love it. Like, where is fall already? It needs to come. Colors. Yeah, this is it. And it has buttons and it has a dramatic V-neck. I just love it. I love it. Can you tell? I love it. So yeah, I'm gonna just put these things back in the bag because I don't want to get anything, you know, all over the place. The next place is Rainbow. I'm always in Rainbow. Rainbow is my life. It's a white top. It has little ruffles on it, and it's just cute and it's cropped and it's adorable. If you go to a store like Brand New Melville, this top is like $30, $25, or you know, around there. But I got it at Rainbow for $10.97. This top, it's cute. It's a steal. Thank you, Rainbow. Thank you. Next, I got this black off the shoulder top. It's really cute. I wore it already, but my mom washed it. It smells so good because I couldn't resist. I wore it, I think I wore it in a video. I think I wore it in one of my videos. Yeah, I think so. So yeah. Now these things I got over a course of time. I just didn't go out one day and just shop like that. Next, I got these jeans. These jeans are really cute and they're really interesting too. It has like, where's the picture? I'll show y'all the picture of how they're supposed to look. I really hope that's in focus. But this is how they look. It's like ripped at the side. I just love it. So yeah, I got them and I liked it. And that's why I got it. So like, duh. So yeah, that was great. I had a great time shopping in Rainbow that day. Alright, so now I'm just gonna move on. I have 2 more clothing items and they were just from one store, each of them from one store. Okay, whatever. So I went to Five Below. I like Five Below too because as you can tell, I like cheap stuff. I don't like spending a whole bunch of money unless it's necessary, like sneakers. That's it. So I got this shirt. It says meh. It's just a regular black shirt. It was $5, right? It was $5. Yeah, it was $5. And it's in a size small. And me and my best friend and my other close friend, we all got the same top so we can match. Even though we're probably not going to see each other to match, but we're going to match one day. So, yeah. So next, I went to Kids Foot Locker. And I got this orange Adidas top. This is it. It's just a basic orange top. And I got it to go with some of the sneakers that I got. Because I didn't really, I bought the sneakers and I like sneakers. But I didn't want to always be wearing all black with them. Because that's pretty much all I have to go with them. So I just wanted to buy something. So basic. Alright, so now moving on to my feet. Sneakers. Yeah, they're over there and I'm tired and I'm hot. Give me a second. Okay, so I'm back. So the first pair of sneakers that I'll be showing y'all are these Vans, the Flame Vans. You know, I wore them yesterday, so they're dirty. not dirty but worn, and I don't really want to touch the bottom of them. But yeah, these are them. Yeah. Yay. So now I'm gonna show y'all. Now I'm gonna wait till last to show y'all my favorite pair. But my next pair, these are Nikes. These are cute. I've been eyeing these sneakers for a while. Well, not these specific ones, but this type. These are the Nike Air Max 97. So yeah, these are them, and they're really cute. I love them with all my heart, and I can't wait to wear them. I don't know, I'm so weird. It's like I get new sneakers, and it's like I want to wear them, but I don't. Because every time I wear a brand new pair of sneakers that I love with all my heart, somebody steps on me. Every single time. Either they step on me on the bus, or they step on me in school. They just step on me. And I usually don't get stepped on. But just because I'm wearing new sneakers, you decide to place your foot in the wrong spot and step on me. And it don't be like a little step. It'd be like a hard step, like leave a mark step. I have to come home and clean it off. Like, why? For what? So, yeah. Now, my last pair. These are also Nikes. These are these are Nike Air Max Plus, if I'm right. Oh, Nike Air Max 97 Plus. These sneakers are the best things I ever bought in my life, like my whole entire life. 17 years of my life, this is the best purchase I've ever made, aside from my phone. These are so beautiful to me, like, I don't even know. I hope y'all find them as beautiful as I find them, because, ooh, girl. Ready, ooh. Ooh, do you see that? Do you see that? Are you looking? Are you looking? I hope you're looking. Cause these, bruh, like, I want to curse. I can't curse though, but these, oh god. And I don't know if you noticed, but I smell my sneakers. Cause I don't know. I don't love the smell, but I appreciate it. You know, I appreciate it. But yeah. These are my favorite sneakers. I'm gonna call them Shaniqua. I like to do that. I like to name things that I like my wig. My curly wig is Sophia, and my straight wig is Stephanie. I don't know. I'm weird. I don't know. That's what. But yeah, I believe that's the end of this clothing haul because I don't have anything else. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to come back and try on all the clothes, and then I'm gonna edit it tonight. It's 8:22. I'm gonna edit it tonight, and I'm gonna try to post it tomorrow. So you guys should probably see this September 3rd. So let's hope everything goes as planned. If not, you'll see it September 4th. Yeah. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to go and follow me on Instagram and all of that. Just keep in mind, all of this is free. You know, it's free, and everybody likes something that's free. So, you know, just subscribe. You know, give me one extra supporter, and you know, it'll be great. You know, it's a good time out here. So. Yeah, I don't think I have anything else to say. Enjoy your first few days of school. I hope you have a great time. I'm hot. So, I'm gonna see y'all later. Yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all later. Okay, bye.